Here is the app called Watercolor Logo Maker Creator. So super handy app for small businesses just to quickly build out your logo just on your mobile device. Small business logo design, and then yeah, you can just open it up. And then here you can see professional watercolor logo templates, beautiful watercolor brush. Then if you want, you can upgrade. There is a yearly subscription, there is weekly subscription. I don't know if there is like some free option somewhere, like at least freemium. Unfortunately, it seems it's not possible actually to use this app for just to try it for free. I thought this is kind of like a Canva, where you can use it for free, but seems not. But still, this app is quite high in the charts, meaning that a lot of people are actually paying for this and upgrading to get this app. So yeah, it's quite cool. So give it a try though.